Yo, what's up, guys? Today I want to start a React and Redux tutorial series. So it's mainly geared towards Redux, but we'll be working in React as well. So I hope you guys have a little bit of good understanding of how state works and React and all that stuff. As the introduction of, what is Redux? So for those who don't know, Redux is a state management tool. So it has a global store that has state. It holds state in a global store. Redux, it stands by itself, so it's not connected with a React in any way. Redux can be implemented into a Vue, Angular application, so it doesn't matter. They're totally separate, but so it's the most popular with React. And out the community, Redux is definitely the most popular. So a lot of companies always look out for React developers with Redux experience. And Redux was created by this guy, Dan Abramov. Probably saying that wrong, but you find him on Twitter. He always posts cool JavaScript stuff. So that's cool. So why would we care to implement Redux into our application? As this shows that without Redux, we are just passing in props locally, passing props down. And as you can see, that we're passing props, we are prop drilling. So imagine this being a really big application where we had to continue passing props down. And that's what's great about Redux, because you don't have to do all that prop drilling crap. It's a global store that holds state, that has every component has access to that global store. So we don't have to pass it down. We can just go and grab it from the store. So that's what's so great about Redux. And so with Redux, how I'm going to go about this series is I'm going to split into different sections. We're going to be creating a project in React using, of course, Redux. And I'm going to be using the flux pattern model. What that pattern is going to look like, and it's going to be sound, if you're totally new to Redux, this will sound confusing. But once we get into the project, it'll start to click. It'll start making sense once you see it. But with the Redux flow, the flux pattern, it's actions, reducers, and then store. So in the next video, we're going to be setting up the store and starting to set up our project with Redux and React. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.